Welcome to FANUC America. My name's Paul Aiello. I'm the Director of Education, and I'm standing in front of our Connected Smart Manufacturing Education line. The CSM line really was a development between FANUC America, APT Manufacturing, Rockwell Automation, and listening to what industry demands for employability skills today and what education needs to be delivering with this type of technology.
Hi, I'm Tony Nighswander with APT Manufacturing. We're here at our corporate headquarters in Northwest Ohio. APT is a strategic partner of FANUC America Education Group, along with being an authorized system integrator for manufacturing. I want to share with you our newest and most advanced CERT system called the CSM. That is Connected to Smart Manufacturing. In this video, you will see a true partnership with FANUC America using industrial equipment such as Rockwell and Keyence.
As we develop products over the last decade for education to bring alignment between industry, technology, and education, we started out with robotics programs, vision systems. We developed those programs over the years to become much more advanced. As we have introduced Industry 4.0 with connected systems and solutions, we created the CSM line to bridge that gap between education and industry. But the entire system addresses what we like to refer to are the three common denominators within manufacturing: automation, process control, and the newest environment, which is data analytics. Those three common denominators make up foundational jobs and skill sets that are required to enter into manufacturing at all levels.
My name is Michael Cook. I'm Director of the University Partnership Program at Rockwell Automation. What we do globally is work with universities and technical colleges to really bring hands-on industrial competency to complement engineering programs with students. Sitting down with FANUC, we really sketched this all out, and we started to design what we thought would be the ultimate system to really bring these skill sets together. So students really needed to understand what was happening, not just with robotics and with CNCs, but really to see how that integrated with Rockwell Automation's PLCs, our HMI, and our safety applications, and bring that all together in one combined learning environment. Our prime purpose was really to bridge the gap between what students were learning in piece parts and really put that into one great learning system where students could not just learn the technology, but really could understand how to apply that as a system and how to understand the different manufacturing steps and processes that went with that. That's what our customers really want. They really want students that actually have the engineering skill sets around a combined system. And that for us is really important.
The CSM line was designed to be modular and used directly within your classroom. The entire system is directly aligned with FANUC's CERT program. FANUC's CERT program was developed to teach foundational skills in robotics, vision, and now integrated solutions. Each section can be purchased as a set or individually, and the system can grow with your program. We offer a robotic operator certification. We also offer a robotic technician certification. Those are industry recognized credentials based on industry technology, and those are available within this whole system. With our channel partners, Rockwell Automation and other certification bodies, that makes up a complete credentialing system for Industry 4.0.
Students, when they leave the classroom, they're really able to translate that into the real world and really have a smoother transition, but actually become far more productive on the first day.
This system was built to bring your manufacturing institution to the highest level in training and to prepare your students for the industry. This is a FANUC CERT educational portfolio for advanced automation solutions.